Hi, I'm Lairca. I'm a World Para Dance Sport Champion and a National Para Obstacle Course athlete. It's been an odd time for all of us recently, but I think there is some normality starting to emerge on the horizon. We miss being outdoors and the mountains especially, but as things starting to open up, it's best to get ready when the time comes. With that in mind, we thought of helping each other jumpstart our active lifestyle. And today, I want you to join me to finish World OCR Series workout. The format of this virtual race: 100-meter run for the starts, 10 push-up with alternating shoulder taps, 200 run, 15 meters burpee board jumps going out, 15 meters bear crawl going back, 200-meter run, 200-meter farmer's carry, 200-meter run, 10 times steps ups with weight, 200-meter run, 10 times hanging lateral crunches, and 100-meter to finish. And I'm doing 3 laps of this. Let's go! Done with the first lap, let's go. 2 more. Pinakamahirap po sa akin sa session na to is yung girl crowd kasi masyad nahirapan yung sa binti ko kasi lahat ng bigat ko nandun. Ang naiisip ko doing the run kanina, isip ko kung matatapos ko ba siya o hindi kasi medyo sumakit yung sa legs ko. Pero naisip ko kasi na may mga teammates ako na sumusuporta sa akin. And of course, gusto kong maka-inspire sa lahat. So, ayun. Nagawa ko naman siyang tapos. Sa pinaka-madalian naman po ako dun sa steps up kahit may weight po. Madali po. Expectation ko naman po dito sa session na to is matatapos po siya ng less than an hour. Pero ayun, naging 1 hour and 30 minutes. So, mahirap pala. Well, ang advice ko po is kung sa tingin nyo hindi nyo kaya, just keep on moving and believe in yourself. Kasi lahat naman magiging kaya mo kung maniniwala ka sa sarili.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Dumi. Gusin na ako pag-uwi sa bahay. That was tough, but I had an absolute and amazing shot. Thanks for your support and remember, keep on moving.